Hello friends. Looking for a way to schedule Instagram posts without manual effort? In this video, I'll show you the top Instagram automation tools to schedule and auto-post content, manage multiple accounts at once. This is the software interface. The software allows you to manage an unlimited number of Instagram accounts. Next, you need to prepare the content for your posts. Here, you'll need to add your own captions, images, or videos. Next, select the Viral Marketing section. Here, you'll find a variety of features, with the bulk auto-posting feature located right at the top. You can freely configure the settings as you like. Select the content you want to post, and set up the auto-engagement options by checking the boxes to like or comment on the post you just published, based on your preferred script. If you're interested in the software, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. I've left the links below in the video description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you'd like me to make more tutorials on tools for platforms like TikTok or Facebook.